In the past, I've thought that repairing the rear cameras was near impossible or not practical, but now I realize having the right tools is the key. These cameras are completely repairable. All it takes is being meticulous, careful, and the right tools, and you too can repair the majority of the damages that occur with the rear camera assemblies. Here I have an amazing kit of the equipment needed to repair rear cameras, like this clamp here, which allows you to clamp the cameras in place, this silicone pad that holds the cameras in place, and these preheating platforms that fit right into the preheating platform that's temperature controlled with these two buttons. The kit also comes with all of the different syringes that you'll need. Things like the camera blue light curing adhesive, curing glue for camera filter, the optical anti-shake glue for camera, and then soldering paste designed with the right temperature in mind for the camera repairs. Each one comes with tips, and they even provide a soldering iron tip to assist in that repair. And that's where parts like this come in handy. Be able to replace the flex cables on these cameras. We all know that as the cameras continue to increase in their abilities and their performance, so has the security features behind them, to the point where if you replace the cameras, you get those notifications that the cameras have been replaced in the newer iPhones. Being able to replace the damaged components, such as the flex cables, the blue lens, or even the optical filters inside, make it so these components are repairable without that notification. It also saves you the cost of a new camera, as some of these can be fairly expensive. Using tools such as a scalpel to carefully slice through and separate the frames, and a flexible flat prying tool that would be typically used for removing large BGA chips can be used to slide in between the plates and the flex cables, the same that you would do if you were repairing the dot projector on the front-facing camera assembly. Once that shield is off with a little bit of heat, you can carefully peel back the flex cable and expose the pads that we will solder the new flex cable to. Adding a little bit of solder to each one of the pads will allow for easier solder. The pads on the flex cable are through holes, just like you would see on an iPad charge port, for example. Like the video if you want to see more on replacing the camera filters or the blue lenses, or more detailed in-depth video on how to do this repair.
MobileSentrix is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.